Mustafa John. Thank you for taking us to places unseen. Mustafa John, exploring the world, living the dream.
Hello everyone, I am Mustafa Jan, welcome to Jan Studio. This is the 23rd episode of the Vietnam series. Welcome to the second part of our Tzu Lao Doi Sun Island trip. In this video, I'll take you on a fascinating journey into the world of coconut candy and sweets. You'll get a chance to see how fresh coconuts are turned into delicious candies right before your eyes. The process is traditional, and the flavors are uniquely authentic to this region. I'll also show you the variety of sweets and toffees they create here, each with its own special taste. From the smooth texture of coconut toffee to the rich sweetness of their candies, everything is handmade with care. If you've ever wondered about the charm of traditional Vietnamese sweets, this video will give you a closer look. So, let's explore together and discover the sweetness of Tzu Lao Doi Sun Island.
See, from this shell, they can turn become a charcoal. Burning fuel reduce the CO2 to the environment. Inside the shell, they have the fiber. They use this fiber to make rope, carpet, or bag.
Грамота сыру любят.
Alright, so you see inside, they have another shell. So for this shell, usually we will polish. You know what I do? Make the bowl to eat the rice, or the spoon to get the water for the pot. Alright? And always have, this is how they open it. Want to try?
Yeah. Why not?
Okay. You can share with your friend if you want. And you know why we choose the old coconut? Because inside they have the flesh, thick flesh. So we will start to peel it out. In the past, we have the equipment to shred it, but it took a lot of time to become the small piece like that. So we just need to use it to put it here and hook it up. If the coconut, you say they have this inside, you know what it is?
Small.
No. This we call
Egg.
coconut cake.
Egg.
Yeah, coconut cake. It's fermented because for the old coconut, the juice will ferment it, the water out, and this react, and you can eat this. And this is what we harvest. We call this is the coconut rice. Alright? So, from the coconut rice, we put in the, we put in the white pack over there, and we start to harvest the coconut milk. We will harvest for two times with two purposes. First time, when we harvest the coconut milk, we will use that to cook and make the candy. The second time, we press down to harvest the coconut milk to cook it and make the oil. Because when you cook that, the oil will be on the top of the surface. We take that. Alright? And over here, inside usually will be the peanut. Right? And they will cook and stir around like that in 45 minutes. In the 45 minutes, beside the topping is peanut, they add the flavor. Usually pineapple leaf to make the green color. Taro, the purple taro to make the purple color. The orange fruit to make the orange color. Durian, coffee, cacao. Right? Then after 45, they will cool down and they will take the whole compound to the table over here. This is the coconut candy. Then to this part, they will separate into small pieces and rolling it and put on the frame, stretching out, then start to cut into the small piece of coconut candy. Then they pack it all wrapping with the rice paper or plastic and then deliver it to the market for customer to consume. So, is there anyone allergic to peanut? No? No. Okay, we can try the fresh coconut candy over here. It's still hot.
No hot.
Here.
Please.
Dahlia. You don't like it?
Achiti. Behtarina.
This one.
Ikrama? څنګه ده؟ محمودو؟ ذایقه څنګه ده؟
A1
دیوان.
classic.
اکرام وڅکه.
When you eat, you will feel the sweet, right? That sweet is not from sugar because we didn't add any sugar inside the candy. 70 to 80% are from coconut milk. The rest is the topping. Okay? That's the sweet from nature. Besides that, they also. Ủa cái màu vàng là gì vậy? Gớt hả? This also from this fruit.
Durian.
No, not durian. We call this is sweet gourd. Gớt.
Gut.
Gớt. Alright, this is the orange fruit that make the orange color for the cuisine. Alright? Besides that, they can make the cookie, the jam, and the biscuit. You can try it. This one that cover with the rice paper. You can eat the rice paper too.
Please.
And what's that?
No, please. Lay up.
This is sown coffee, coconut candy, sown coffee.
Sown coffee. Sown coffee.
This is the jam. This one has.
Oh, sorry. I'm really sorry.
This is the jam. This is have sugar, and because it's from the baby flesh, so they have to add the sugar inside.
Xì chào đó, xì chào cho biết chồng thì
Alright, so this is inside the orange fruits,
Yeah.
the
Oh.
milk fruit. Okay. So usually when the people harvest the fruits, they don't eat them. They will use the flesh and the bean to make the orange color for the cuisine. Alright. And when you cook the rice, we add it inside the rice cooker to make more protein. So when you walk on the Saigon street, you see the sticky rice with different color. The orange color are from that fruit. Okay?
Did it?
All right, before I let you have some time, I also introduce for you one more thing. Please stay over here.
ده التكيني وي. ده التكيني.
Please ready your camera.
Yeah.
In Mekong, we have a lot of jungle and forest. So we have 1,000 types of snake.
snake oil.
The people, when they see the snake, they're not afraid. They will capture. They will eat that. If they not eat that, they put in a pot like this to make the snake wine.
Snake wine. Wow.
This is the cobra.
Amazing.
To make the snake wine, they will cut the meat apart to take out the organs. Then they will take out the venom. Alright? Put in a pot, with the inside is the rice wine. Alright? The percentage alcohol is from 30 to 40%. Okay? That's a good condition to ferment the snake flesh. From there, they will contain in 3 years at least. The longer it inside, the longer it tastes good. Beside the snake, they can put inside scorpion, ginseng, lava queen, or termite.
I like
Okay.
the ginseng and the chili.
And why we have the snake wine? First, the Vietnamese people, we can make wine at home. Rice wine. I'll bring with you. Alright, so I will show you how to cheer in Vietnamese. Repeat after me, okay?
इनको अपने साथ नहीं लेके जाएंगे.
Alright, repeat after me. Một, hai, ba, you. Okay, take a whole shot. Like whiskey.
That's right.
To survive. Okay? And you see the coconut that have a yellow color like that. That is the Malaysian coconut. In here we have Malaysian coconut, Vietnamese coconut, we have the rim shell. But for Vietnamese coconut, they will have the tall and the short one. Different just about the time to harvest the fruit. For the tall one, at least 1 year to 2 years, the fruit appear for the people to harvest. Short one, 5 months to 1 year, and they can harvest the fruit. Okay? Let's keep going. Alright. In Vietnam, pomelo, we have 2 colors, pink and red. I'm sorry, pink and green. Beside the fruit to eat, we also use the shell of pomelo to make the candy like jelly, and put that in the sweet soup like dessert to eat. Besides that, the Mekong Delta people, they believe one thing: the pomelo leaf can bring the luck to the people. That means in some day, if you're unlucky, take the leaf and wash your body. They will bring you the luck. So if someone are going to the casino, you will need the whole tree. And this is the jackfruit. Jackfruit. And my name is not from it. My name is from Jack Daniel. Yellow one, and it's very, very sweet. This is the special banana in Vietnam. All right.
So खबर है मनो दा खबर बड़ी
The big one and like in our country. Like this is the last area. You have to go to the last, the mountain.
हाँ ये लगा मेमुदा
Everyone, we have two tables. 1, 2. Over here. Two table. 1 and 2.
Có bển cho bà chứ gì em
아 yeah bro
Alright, everyone. If you see the dish in here, this is the chili and spicy salt.
oh
Alright?
Yes.
So in our culture, some fruit, some fruit had the plain or sour color of flavor. We will eat with the salt because it makes more sweeter. Alright? So today we will have the red dragon fruit, longanids, watermelon, pink guava, and pineapple.
أخبر سريع كده وكان
This is the longanids.
That's a shell.
Family with a lychee.
The sweets like
Yeah, family with a lychee. To eat this one, you have to peel the shell, eat the flesh. For the bean, don't swallow because the tree will kill in your stomach. For the bean, put in here. Alright? And this is the red dragon fruit. Red dragon fruit.
Dragon.
Yeah. And this is the pink guava. First time you see that, right? Pink guava.
Amrud.
Not? Ah.
Amrud.
Yeah. Alright, so before you have it, please look at me.
look
Sir.
just a minute my friend is busy
1, 2, 3. Okay, over here, ladies. 1.